In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you transfer money to US Bank app. So if you want to transfer money in the US Bank app, you just need US mobile banking app on your device and you need a stable internet. Once done, log into your account and from the first page or the home page, you go to transfer and pay section from the app dashboard. After which you want to select send transfer or transfer button. Then you have to choose the account or choose from the account and to account and then continue. So that means you have to enter in the recipient details. If you've already saved the recipient detail, you could simply go and select it from the list as well or from the history. Or if you've not added the person, then you just want to simply add in their information manually and enter the exact amount that you want to transfer and review. That means double check all the information you've provided and click on to the confirm button. Once done, you should be able to receive a notification stating that the transfer was successful, and that's how you will be able to transfer money on US Bank app. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.